Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. We have started chapter number 1, ideological basis of Pakistan, and 3 topics are completed in this chapter: meaning of ideology, kinds of ideology, and sources of ideology. Now we are going to start topic number 4, need and significance of ideology. Before starting this topic, I will just briefly give you previous knowledge that meaning of ideology. The science and study of ideas is called ideology. Different kinds of ideology we have done: political ideology, religious ideology, and social ideologies. Then we have discussed sources of ideology. What are the sources from which ideologies are formed? So, some important factors, sources we have discussed. These were mostly, the important one was religion and culture, moral values, and civilizations. These were some of the sources of ideology. Now we are going to start our new topic: need and significance of ideology. Why do we need ideology, and what is the importance of ideology? Introduction. It is a brief explanation, definition of ideology. Ideology is a set of collectively held ideas about society, usually promoted in order to justify a certain type of political action. Ideology is an important factor in determining how people make decisions. Ideologies have an explanatory functions. They provide explanation for the facts and problems of social life. That's why ideology is very much important in our life. Need and significance. Every nation has some specific goals. Each and every nation has some specific goals, purposes which they want to achieve. To achieve national goals, there is need of ideology that leads the people of that nation in the right direction. If we have ideology with us, then it will be easy for us to achieve our national goals, because we have each and everything collected in our ideology, as it is clear from the word ideology. Ideas, logi, study, the study of different ideas which we have collected. Then it will be easy for us to achieve these goals. Ideology is the name of the expression of social and economic aspirations. Ideology helps a nation in the attainment of some national objectives. These objectives are as under. If we have ideology, so it will be easy for us to gain these objectives. Number 1, national unity. As you know, that unity is very much important. You know about the importance of unity. There are a lot of stories about unity. So unity is important in each and everything, and national unity is very much important. And which thing help us in creating national unity? That is ideology. Ideology creates unity among the members of a nation. Ideology plays the most important role in keeping the member of a nation united, because when the ideas of individual in a society are same, then an exemplary union is established among them and differences are minimized. If all the nation are united, and which thing unite them, which thing bind them, that is ideology, because there are common things in ideology. When we think about all these things, though, so automatically we become united with each other. And then when you become united, then our goals become easy for us. Look at it now. Unity is strength, as each and everyone know. The most important thing in the world in the attainment of every goal is unity. When there is teamwork and collaboration, when we are united, when you are doing each and everything in a peaceful manner, wonderful things can be achieved. Without unity, things can become difficult. Number 2, the objectives which we can gain with the help of ideology is national constitution and legislation. What does constitution mean? Constitution, a set of rules according to which a state is governed. And legislation mean lawmaking. Ideology helps the nation in formulating their constitution, making their constitution, because ideology have clear-cut things that how we will make, which one step we will make in the making of, we will take in the making of constitution and other state laws. Ideology help us in making these things. Ideological nation face no problem in legislation in lawmaking because they are in front of them the basic guiding principle present in the form of ideology. We have ideology in front of us and we look into our ideology in the making of all these things. Then we feel no difficulty in the making of legislation and in the making of constitution if we have an ideology in front of us. That is a brief definition of constitution. It has to do with the established rules according to which the state is organized, simply a law for the government. Number 3, objectives which we can attain with the help of ideology, that is preserve social values. Preserve mean maintain in its original form, to protect. Social values. Social means social is a thing related to a society. Values. Social values are a set of moral values defined by a society. What are social values? You are very much familiar with them. These are respect, truthful, honor, charity, etc. These are moral and social values. Ideology guards the culture. It protects the culture, social and religious values of a nation. Ideological nation remain immune. Immune means protected from negative internal and external influences and wrong inclination. Ideology help to protect all these things. Inclination mean a person's natural tendency. These are some of the social values. Respect himself and others. We also respect ourselves, do respect and have respect. That is the important thing. Or important social value, moral value, values feelings. You will just value, you will give importance to the feelings of others. Demonstrate justice. Educator with virtue, dignity, knows children's right, shows solidarity with others, promotes integrity. These are some of the social values and these values are very much important. So ideology help to protect these social values. Number 4, national objective which we can attain easily with the help of ideology is national encouragement. Encouragement means the action of giving someone support. You are encouraged to do a thing. When you are encouraged, so you become energetic and you want to do more things. Ideology creates ability among the nation to face difficult conditions and to resolve their problems. Ideological nations never lose courage even in the most difficult situation and seek solution to their problems in the light of their ideology. If they have any problems, so they look into their ideology, because in their ideology each and everything is mentioned clearly that how we will solve our problems. These are some of the encouragement words. When you are someone encourage you, so they say keep going, you got this, you do, you can do this, chin up, right? These are the words of encouragement. And mostly when we want to do something good, right, and if we have done something good, so we can get the word of appreciation and the word of encouragement. So ideology encourage us. These are some of these were the 4 objectives which I have included in this video. The remaining objectives I will just share in the other video because it cannot complete in one video. Thank you.